Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circular saw guide. First, ensure your saw blade is clean and sharp for optimal performance. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection before starting any cutting task. Position your material securely on a stable workbench, making sure it won't shift during the cut. This preparation is crucial for both safety and accuracy. Once your material is ready, place the circular saw guide along your marked line. Remember to account for the blade's kerf, which is the material removed by the blade itself. For most standard blades, this is about 1/8 inch. Secure the guide with clamps at both ends to prevent any movement during the cut. A stable guide is essential for a perfectly straight line. With the guide securely in place, it's time to make your cut. Start the saw and let it reach full speed before gently engaging the blade with the material. Guide the saw smoothly along the fence, applying consistent forward pressure. Avoid forcing the saw, let the blade do the work. This technique minimizes kickback and ensures a clean, precise edge. After completing your cut, always unplug the circular saw before making any adjustments or cleaning. Remove the guide and inspect your workpiece for accuracy. Store your saw and guide properly to protect them from damage and maintain their precision. Regular cleaning extends the life of your tools. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.